affordable vehicle with a very pleasant driving experience. Innovation within the Titan XD stands out and rounds out this fantastic truck. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, sliding rear window, tow hitch, heated mirrors, brake assist, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season, four-wheel disc brakes, privacy glass. Come see the car for yourself.